Good morning, you fellow beautiful money-making machines out there. We are traders and we love money. Now, all I ask is that you hit that subscribe button because we have valuable information coming in today. Valuable. Hit subscribe, please. I take time to do this research and it's valuable and I'm always right and I'm going to show you how I was right again. And we make money, okay? Take your emotions out, listen to what I tell you. And we make money. Subscribe, share, put that bell on. Like, watch the videos. We're going to be coming out with charts and news more often now because I'm right predictions all the time. Okay, guys? Like the video. Share the video. Show your friends, okay? We're going to start off with a energy trade that I'm looking at. Not yet. Okay, I should make that clear. We're not looking at it yet. Yesterday's video, I talked about why I'm pretty bullish on crude oil right now. Obviously, the elections are over. Biden is done emptying out the reserves, and it looks like it's breaking out of this channel and it's ready to go. We got a green MACD. We have bullish divergence on the RSI. Cool. Now, energy isn't just crude oil. There's natural gas as well. Let's look at natural gas. I'm going to give you guys a hint. It doesn't look as good. QQE signals right here. Great indicator. I recommend you all use it. It's saying short. Okay. MACD's red. Bearish. RSI is cooling. It's going a bit. And the white line, 30-day moving average. Usually the way I look at that is if it's below the 30-day moving average, it's bearish for me. If it's above, it's bullish. And it's below. But here's the thing, guys. It's at a point of previous resistance. This could create, a point of previous support. And it could create a double bottom and shoot up. We're going to have to see. I'm not playing this trade until I see some upwards. Maybe the QQE signals gives me a long, and if I see a green MACD and a long signal or above the 30-day moving average, more long indicators. You guys need more indicators. You need confirmation. This is why people lose. Some people would probably hop into an energy trade just seeing this crude oil. You need more than that. You need natural gas. You want to see some more green upside. We don't have that yet. So I'm going to be waiting. But the stock I will be buying if I do see that is right here. DIG, ProShares, Ultra Oil and Gas. See like I said, I need to see natural gas do its thing. This is still a red MACD. We still got short over here. And there's a gap to fill here. So I don't even know if I would do it. I want to see this gap get filled before I even consider anything. But who knows, guys? It's energy. It's looking crazy right now. We're going to get talking about that new bill that just got passed with the Senate. And you guys know how I feel about that. It disgusts me. Anyhow, like I showed you guys yesterday, we have QQQ. We have the bull flag inside of the bear flag, but the bear flag broke. Now, as you can see, it's pretty much confirmed. I mean, it could fake still, but if we use the regular strategy, we will move this line over here, down here, and it's basically saying QQQ could go down to 204, even lower, like 197, which would be nuts. I don't know if that's how it's actually done, but that would be nuts. But the MACD is red. We have it set up. Let's look at the QQE signals and see what they're saying. I know it's short. And it's been short for approximately a week. There you go. Short, yeah. So, if you're short right now, QQQ, good job. Right now, I don't think I would go short here. Because look, we're at this point of resistance right here. So if it's going to fake and go back towards this bull flag, it's going to be right now. Because even yesterday, look at this candle, guys. Buyers stepped in heavy yesterday. Obviously, a big reason was the bill, but charts predict news, guys. I'm going to show you with Tesla that charts predict news, okay? Because they do. It's unbelievable. Charts predict news. We get close to this point of resistance. Oh, look, new $1.7 trillion bill. Market goes up. It was going to go up either way. Okay, guys. SPX. Below the 30-day moving average, we got a short signal on QQE signals, bearish, red MACD, bearish. RSI is going a bit to the sold side, so there might not be much room left. Once again, kind of like QQQ is getting close to that previous point of support, And we'll see what it does, how it acts when it gets around 3,700, if it gets around 3,700. It filled this gap yesterday, this one right here, which is important. It's good for bulls because you finally got that filled, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And yeah, SPX. So SPX and QQQ, I'm probably like 60% bearish, 40% bullish, and I would not be making any trades right now. Definitely not. There's too much uncertainty, and you don't know where it's going. Up here, yeah, I would have gone short because I had the. So look, guys, QQE signals was telling me short, and there was a red MACD at that point. And I guess the RSI was kind of in the middle, but it was starting to get below the 30-day moving average. It was kept testing it. Once I seen it go up here on CPI day, up to like 4,080, I'm like, yeah, I'm going short. That was the perfect time to go short. You could go here. You could have sold here. It's a good time to sell. I think yesterday when it hit this point of resistance, good time to maybe trim 40 to 50% of your position. I would have recommended that for sure. Anyways, let's move on to the 10-year yield. Like, nothing's really changed with the 10-year yield. We're still long. This is a good one. I think the bond market is due for a sell-off when the yield goes up. So when this goes up, the bond market goes down, guys. Green MACD, long over here, above the 200-day moving average. I haven't even looked at the 30-day. It's definitely, let's find out right now. Go 30-day. White. It is. Oh, it just got above it, guys. That's big. That's really big. 30-day once above it. It tends to stay above it. Technicals are universal, guys. I don't care if it's a bond yield. I don't care if it's crude oil. I don't care if it's lumber. I don't care if it's Tesla, which we're going to talk about in a second. So yeah, 10-year yield looking like a good long trade, meaning I would short probably TLT or ZROs, which are basically do the opposite of the 10-year yield, right? So that's what I would be doing here. Up to you guys, not financial advice, obviously, but it looks like a good trade. Okay, like I said, guys, charts predict the news. Tesla shares tumble, on track for worst month ever. Okay, or we'll get into how the charts predict the news. This isn't what they predicted. But, okay, yeah, so let's look at that. Let's look at that. Tesla, you look at it, it's just red candlesticks. It's disgusting. It's in this chop block that we talked about yesterday. So in October 2022, it was here. We're going to see how it acts at the price of 107, if it even gets there, guys. Because, listen to this, okay? Before I even got the news, the next bit of news I'm going to show you. Yesterday I was telling you this RSI can't get any lower. You look at the history of Tesla, I don't even have to show you guys. It doesn't get this low. It's extremely oversold. Like we just said, Tesla shares tumble for the worst month ever. Okay? I'm looking for a reversal here. I really am. Because it's probably going to go back up into this falling wedge and retest something. I don't know. Because, look, charts predict news. RSI is this low, and then we get what article yesterday? Elon Musk puts Tesla stock sales on pause. So he's done selling. He's sold he's done selling for 2 years. He sold $44 billion to buy Twitter. Okay, he's done. Billionaire Elon Musk said on Thursday he will put Tesla share sales on hold for about 2 years. You see what I'm saying? RSI goes lower than it's ever been, and then we get that news. Charts predict news, guys. I don't know how many examples I have to show you to prove that charts predict news. Charts will override news every day of the year. You guys know this, and this is why you should subscribe, like, and share every video that you see. Okay, move on. Relative strength of the dollar. We're still in this chop block, guys. This is the most boring thing to follow. It does nothing. Like 0.06%. Just get out. Give me some action. You know what I mean? But it's below the 200-day moving average, and it's been below the 200-day moving average for a while. It's in a steady downtrend. You could probably even draw a falling wedge. So it's going to depend on, let's do that actually. It's going to depend on which side it breaks out from. Yeah, we can. Okay. And okay, yeah, it's kind of in a channel, I guess. Not even a falling wedge. Okay, so It's going to depend what side it breaks out on, guys. It's going to break out to the upside or the downside. I think it's going to break out to the upside, personally, because the MACD is green. Let's see what QQE signals is saying. I haven't looked at that. Great indicator, guys, by the way. I recommend you all use it. QQE signals, short. And it's been short for a while. So if we just get like one big green candlestick, which is weird, guys, because yesterday was a huge red day in the... Look at this weak candlestick. It's weird. Dollars acting up. It's been trading very weirdly, but it looks like a pattern: up, down, up, down, up, down. Who knows, guys? Looks like an Elliott wave, to be honest. But we'll keep an eye on this. Whatever side it breaks out of, this channel, the blue channel and the white channel, is going to determine where the market's going. To remind you, if it goes down, the market's going to go up. If it goes up, the market's going to go down. So we'll see. This is the ugliest, disgusting, most grotesque news ever. I'm not subscribing to Market Watch, so you guys need to see this. Senate passes $1.7 trillion spending bill. Guys, this is gross. I mean, come on. Inflation's at 7%. What is this doing? They passed the lie that, we're doing this to help homelessness. Get out of here, bro. This is only going to make homelessness worse. This is going to make inflation worse. Your cost of living is going to get worse. This is disgusting. The fact that, it was like 2/3 of the Senate voted yes for this proves that they're paid off by lobbyists, by the rich that just want to get richer. Inflation makes the rich richer, guys. This is gross. These elected officials only care about their own pockets, and it's disgusting. They do not care. You guys need to get prepared, okay? I can talk about this all day, but you need to get prepared. Get your ass on some gold, silver, Bitcoin. Get some inflation-proof assets. Stuff that's not going to be your shitty dog shit fiat currency, property, land, anything. Please, guys. Not stocks. I want to be going in stocks, but gold and silver I really like. Yesterday, the GDP news, and today, PCE is coming out at 8:30. So that's going to move markets a lot. GDP numbers came out yesterday. 3.2%. And economists were expecting 2.9%. And that's quarter over quarter. So, I seen this news, and I thought the market was going to be green, to be honest. And then I seen how red it got. And I think that's because people are assuming that this means that the rate hikes aren't doing enough damage and we need more of it. Plus, we just got $1.7 trillion pumped into the economy, so inflation's obviously not going to get any better. Plus, we just talked about the possible energy trade. If we see crude oil and natural gas start to pop, then say goodbye to your low inflation, guys, or your quote-unquote low inflation. 7% seems low because we just had 9%. Anyways, guys, you know what's happening. The debt market could implode any second. And that's the real end-all, be-all. That's when they bring in the new financial system, is when the $31 trillion in debt implodes, guys. And it's not just the U.S. Globally, the debt is too overinflated, guys. Anyways, look at the futures. We got futures here. Beautiful. I love you guys, okay? We're going to keep going. Get your gold, silver, Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel. One of the best investments you can make right now, if your time, is take the 2 seconds to click that subscribe button so you can get this continuous information of beautiful predictions and just open-mindedness. You can listen to this and not want to do any of what I say, but at least you have a new perspective to look at, guys, okay? Keep it real. I love you guys. Peace.